Yeah, 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 yeah. Because I'm happy. I'm a Muslim, that's what makes me happy, and that's the truth.
Assalamu'alaikum, Dr. Zakir Naik. It's a truly an honor to meet you finally in Malaysia. I've flown from all the way from England. I did book my ticket to Wembley to see you, but unfortunate, it didn't happen. But what I would like to ask you is, when are you going to England next to give the word of peace to all the Londoners, and when would you like to clear your name, and what are you doing about it to go there? Jazakallah.
That was the question, when am I going to London to give a speech, and what am I doing to clear it? Brother, when your Home Secretary allows me, I'll come, or when your government allows me, or maybe when your government changes. We have filed a case in the High Court, in the Court of Appeal, in Supreme Court. We had the best of lawyers. We hired Tony Blair's wife, Cherry Booth, Matrix Chamber. We had Max Clifford, best. Though the lawyers told me 99.9% you will win, I knew 95% will lose. I know the judiciary system very well. So, we put our point across. Now, only way we have, we can go to the European Court. Anyway, regarding me coming, I don't have to come physically. I'm coming by satellite every day to UK.
That's right.
We are there on B-Sky-B. On B-Sky-B, every day I'm giving a speech throughout the world. 100 million people are watching, mashallah. I don't have to come physically there. I'm only not allowed to come there. But my satellite, mashallah, Peace TV English is there, Peace TV Urdu is there. And mashallah, 100 million people are watching. So yet we are giving the message of peace, and we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He give hidayah to the people. And alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah. This is as our beloved Prophet Muhammad said, that one day Islam will enter every home. So we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us instrumental in making the hadith come true, that via satellite we are reaching every home, Muslim and non-Muslim homes, so that we can tell to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala we did little bit what we could do. Hope that answers the question.
So you make it to England. Assalamu alaikum.
Let me tell you about my happiness. I get my happiness from Islam. It makes me kind and a better human.